Hi everyone, this is me. Today I'm excited to show you our great new EDC slingshot, which was just finished. We call it S-Striker. I myself am an EDC enthusiast, so I always want to try those popular EDC elements on slingshots, and this one turns out really cool. Let's take a close look at it. The main core is made of a TC4 titanium alloy, including all the screws on it. After stone washing, the titanium alloy surface transforms into a fine, uniform matte finish with subtle texture, offering a soft touching rather than a mirror-like smoothness. It creates a vintage, aged aesthetic, which I love very much. The patches are made of micarta, and the special texture on it further enhances its retro style. As an EDC slingshot, it has a perfect size and weight. You can easily slip it into your pocket and carry it all day without even notice it. This time we boldly added a back clip on it. It's made of titanium too. At first we were a bit worried about it would affect the grip, but in actual use, we found it actually very comfortable to hold. Much better than we expected. The back clip lets you carry it in more ways. You can attach it to your belt or backpack, making it more convenient to reach. The anti-slip teeth on both sides make it smoother to take and place. But if the clip really doesn't appeal to you, we also offer replaceable micarta patches as an alternative. Then it would turn to this version, offer you more substantial grip. Just mount the bands, let's shoot it. Oh, it's hiding behind the tree. Can't get it. Let's shoot the bottle. Okay. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.